We're going to feed the rosellas and the king parrots at O'Reilly's in Queensland. Hello everybody. Ow, you're going to shut the corners. Hey, that was just poo. I saw something drop in front of my face. Oh, they're mean, those snails. The king parrots, yeah. These are the mean ones. These are king parrots. One's on the ground are rosellas. That one. Oh, she's just dumping hers on the ground. Ow, okay, that was a bad idea. I tried to flick him off and I was holding on tight or whatever and it really hurt. Do you want some, Elliot? Would you like to eat? No, she's got no seed.